Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Also Inspired collaboration. And this month, Alicia sent us out a fun inspiration on do-it-yourself mini embellishments from Dearly Dee's blog. And they were really cute and fun. And as you can see in the picture, something very simple that can be used across various projects. So we were completely inspired by what she created, and we thought that we should also create some mini embellishments because they're fun. You can use them in various places, maybe a scrapbook layout, maybe planner, maybe journal page, anywhere really. And we decided to add little paper clips to our mini embellishments so that we could easily use them. So firstly, let's show you the paper pack that we're going to be using today. It's called the Ethereal collection by Papericious, and these come with fun vibrant colors in the paper pack, really cool patterns and designs. So what we did is we picked out about 3 sheets for our base, and the paper pack also comes with this sheet of elements that can be fussy cut and used as layers. So what we've already done is that we fussy cut out one sheet, so we already have these elements ready. And with the 3 pattern paper sheets that we picked out, we used various dies in our stash to cut out different shapes. So we've just randomly picked out dies, whatever we had in our stash, and we've die cut the pattern paper, so we have different colors of die cut elements. So this is something that we have done and just stored in a box, so it's easy for something like this where you're just putting together different elements to create a mini embellishment. So before we start, let's show you a few that we've already made. So we've made this one which says Friends Forever, and so you can see all the tiny die cut elements layered, and then we have a paper clip. This one says Embark Together, and this says Treasure Yourself. So we've made these 3, and then we've added that paper clip like we told you for easy use. So since this is very simple, we thought we'd also do like a quick tutorial and show you how to really get this done. So all you got to do is pick a base. So the base is a bigger die cut element, and then just pick some pieces which will contrast with it. So this pink would go well, and then maybe pick a pink star. We have a grey heart, cute little banner there. So and all we're using is a stapler to set all the elements together, and the final layer maybe some glue drops. So just begin by arranging the elements however you like them, and just adding all the layers. So this looks good, and I'll quickly staple them together. And this way, if I want to change anything, all I have to do is open up the stapler pin and just rearrange everything. Now with that done, I'm just going to look for the focal element that would be good for this particular embellishment. So playing with the cuts that we've made, the fussy cuts from the paper pack, maybe this looks good, so we can have this. And for this now, I'm just going to use some foam tape to uproot it. So that goes there, and then maybe use a little star or a little heart, or maybe even a flower would look good. Maybe this, yeah, just to cover that staple pin. So that now can be stuck with the glue dots. Now there is no hard and fast rule that you have to cover the staple pin. In fact, sometimes the staple pin adds another element of texture and dimension there, but I just like to do it that way. So with that done, that is complete, and now all we have to do is probably add a word to complete our embellishment. So for that, just using Tim Holtz Chit Chat stickers, I'm going to pick something that would look good for this. So maybe this pig is so cute and all smiling, so maybe just smile would be a good title for this element. So adding the sticker there, and now you can just stick a paper clip. So what you can do is use some tacky glue and stick one part of the paper clip down to have it in place there. So we can have it here, we could have it on the side, anywhere. So just adding a little bit of the glue for it to stick onto the embellishment, and then just set this aside to dry. So with that done, you can see how quick it was to create one mini embellishment. And now let's just do another one using this mason jar as a base. So this way you can see it's really easy to pull out all those dies that you have in your stash and create something quick. In fact, you know, one day you can just sit down, die cut, store all of them in a box, and another day just come back, take everything out and create something quick and easy. So just picking out some contrasting elements that would look good for this one. So you could also leave it as it is without adding a paper clip and use it onto another project. Maybe we'll leave this one as it is without a paper clip. And quickly let's create another one in the same way. And this came in the fussy cut, in the elements, the die cut sheet in the pattern paper. So maybe we could try using this as a base. Now another fun element that you could add onto your mini embellishments would be just some of these colored dots. So they look really good, like you can see in these, adding another dimension and element. So you could quickly add that over here as well. So with that done, these mini embellishments are now complete. So you can see how quick and easy they were to really put together and create. And like we said before, you know, you could just sit down, have some die cuts done, so store them in a box and then just have them all around, put everything together to create these fun mini embellishments. So hope you've enjoyed what we shared today with you, and hope you're inspired. And not just that, like you all know, the OSO inspired collaboration is like a YouTube hop. So we have many more beautiful crafters out there who've created something out of this inspiration sent to us. So all the details are in the description box below. do hop with us, visit each person's channel and see how they were inspired and how they interpreted this particular theme and what they created. And it's just sure going to give you more ideas, more techniques on the way. And do hit the thumbs up to like the video and subscribe to our channels for more. And it's always your love that keeps us going, so do help us spread this love for crafting and share it with others interested. Also, at the end of the video, we'll just have a few close-up pictures of these mini embellishments, and we'll try to have a picture of a completed project where we've used one of these. So until our next time, take care and bye-bye.